Good morning, peeps. Welcome back to the vlog. Ooh, it's a little nifty out here. I just got done exercising this morning, so a little bit of cold. Did a cold start on the truck, let it warm, but more importantly, we're taking the Evo over to Status Garage so Kiet could probably wrap the car, because obviously you noticed in the last two videos I tried to wrap it. One, I failed. Second, I wasted material, and you know, it's just a whole waste of time, and I'm not going to do it again. But yeah, he's going to take care of it. He probably end up ripping this off because it looks nasty and he's a professional, but I'm gonna drop it off. He says it'll be done today, but whenever it's done, it's fine. Yeah, so let's just get to Status Garage. I haven't warmed this vehicle up yet. Oh, I'm still burning up from working out, but let me see. Cool start. Woo! It's cold in here.
But I think other guys.
This over here, put it on blast. Oh, all right, we'll just wait for it to warm up. But yeah, I know, might as well wait for it to warm up, and I guess discuss with you guys. Oh, once I get this wrapped, I actually started on my 1-year transformation video. I actually don't know how to title it. Should I put like 1 year Evo X transformation? I don't know. I'm really usually bad with titles and everything like that. So, but once this vehicle is done wrapping, I'm gonna do like a quick walk around at the end, and that'd be the end of the video. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. While I was doing it, man, I was like, this car changed so much in a year. It's just ridiculous. And you know, I mean, I'm extremely happy with the result. Obviously there's more to come in the future, but I gotta slow down a little bit because you know, the holidays, spending a lot of money going crazy, you know, and just want to slow it down a little bit, you know, take time to enjoy the Evo, and hopefully by the spring summer, once we get into the show, we could actually use the truck to trailer the Evo to some of the shows. But yeah, all right, let's just wait for the car to warm up, and then we'll head to Status Garage. It's such a cold day. The Evo is so dirty. I got like all kinds of crap back here. But yeah, anyways, look at the truck. I don't know if you guys see it from here. It just looks so neat. Look at that. I love the headlights. You guys see it? It's kind of hard to know if you guys can see stuff in the camera. I can see it, but sometimes it doesn't show. Man, I haven't drove this car really in about a week now. Actually, since I got the truck, all I did was start it up. Just like work on the exterior stuff, like the mirror cover and the wrap that failed twice. But yeah, it's a nice day. Well, yesterday was a nice day. I was working yesterday. It was hot, and now I'm off. It's extremely cold. This is complete utter bullshit. But man, let's just get this done today. Hopefully it gets done today. Kiet said it was gonna get done, so hey, but that man's always busy, so we'll see. All right, I made it to Kiet's. Oh, that's not good. Oh, he parked his BRZ here. Look at that. Haven't seen this thing in a while. Last time I was in it, we got a ticket. God, they never can park straight, never. Well, hopefully he's here. If not, I gotta figure out where I leave the keys. But yeah, hopefully the Evos get done today. You know, Status Garage. Obviously, I trust Kiet with everything in the car. As you can see from when we got the Evo to now, Kiet was pretty much the one that worked on the Evo the most. But he's been busy with his new shop, so I haven't bothered him too much. Let's see if he's here. And I'm gonna leave the camera here and drop. Pretty much I'm gonna drop the vehicle. Let's see, leave the camera. If Kiet's want to record a little bit, he can. If not, that's fine. I'll see you guys once I pick up the car. All right, peeps. So it's been a couple days. Just took a lift. They dropped me up there, but yeah, it's been a couple days since I came back here. I was actually supposed to pick it up that same day, but I got really busy and I couldn't pick it up. And then the next day I worked late, and then the following day is New Year's. Kiet was out of town, so you know, here we are picking up the vehicle a couple days after that, so it's all good. Kiet did a really good job. He sent me some pictures, but can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, so there's a couple things I learned from the last failure. I'll let you guys know as soon as we grab the vehicle and everything. Yo, yo, yo! What up? Damn, bro. He looks so nice. I gave up after the first fender. Yeah, actually, I gave up after the event.
I watched your video.
Oh, man.
I was like, bro, what are you doing?
Yo, she looks good. Oh, you found the mesh?
Yeah.
Nice.
I had to cock it sideways so that it matched the diamond.
Oh,
then,
cool.
I'm painting it right now, so.
Nice. Thanks, homie.
Yeah, the only
What else Beth's doing in her car? Oh, she's doing so much.
yeah, she's doing a whole front end swap.
God damn.
I gotta do a custom front fender, custom front grill, custom transfer everything over. Actually, you know what? I gotta take the fog lights home today.
Oh, I can't wait to see Charlotte's car. Oh man,
so
she has
dropped,
so much.
So she just dropped off a whole box of parts yesterday, 2 days ago.
She got so excited about it.
Because we put an order in, so she got a good discount on the airlift stuff too. So she got all airlift performance 3P kit with 3/8 lines.
She's going big.
I got her set up with 2 tanks. I'm sorry, 1 tank, 2 compressors, all the wiring harness that goes with that, and then she's going stage 3 on her Cobb. So
right out to stage 3.
So now she's got the fuel rail, she's got injectors, she's got fuel pump. All that's going in.
Damn, and I thought I was going hard. She went hard.
It's because she just got a new intake too.
Yeah.
But the intake. So the thing is, she's running off of the Cobb map right now, and she contacted Cobb and figured out exactly what they had for the stage 3, and it says that it includes all the fueling as well. So she was just like, you might as well just go with the.
You seen her new wheel setup? Did she get it yet?
I was the one that helped her pick it up.
The concave one that you were talking about?
We tried to figure out sizing and the whole 9 yards. Finally, we landed on the color.
You think this wheel will be okay? The fender went out a little bit more, but I'm thinking of getting the quarter panel flares and a new rear bumper by next year, so I could go airlift.
Yeah.
You think these wheels will be fine, or should I get like a different size setup?
It's
It's 10 and a half.
You can always run a small spacer or something.
Yeah.
You're keeping a front fender, right?
Oh yeah. No. Everything's gonna be the same. I'm just changing the rear bumper to the V2 bumper and the quarter panel flare that comes out a little bit, and then obviously you're gonna do the airlift and everything.
Yeah. Just let me know.
Yeah.
Man, this skirt sucked, dude.
Bro, I gave up on like the little vent. I can't. It wouldn't stick.
Dude, this
so I figured out you're supposed to. I left the vinyl outside, so you're supposed to. It's supposed to be a little warmer. So it's cold as shit on cold.
That doesn't really matter.
It wouldn't stick for me.
It's pressure activated.
This looks hard, ain't it? Damn, it looks clean though.
Yeah, this shit was fucking good. I had to do that.
Man, if you had trouble with that, I gave up. You know, it was a good choice to give up, because I would have wasted materials. Because I already wasted this whole piece.
I saw.
You probably cried inside, right? You're like, this idiot.
I was like, man, what you doing, dog? Can't be throwing away pieces that big, man.
It was so big, I cried. I gave up.
Yeah, I just have to put a small little inlay right here. That's all, just in black, because the vinyl wouldn't curve that far.
Oh no,
it's all right here. But so what you did and what I did is different. So I actually made this one whole piece.
Oh, so I cut it right here.
I know, I saw. So because you don't want to see that line because it's gonna poke out right here.
Yeah.
That's why. So what I did was I made this all one piece.
Yeah, I tried the one piece. Bro, I don't know. I was like, well, that's the difference between an amateur and a pro, you know.
So you do that in one piece, and then.
Bro, it looks so nice. What do you think about the kit? I got a great deal for it, man. So listen, I sold the side skirt, the carbon fiber side skirt, the lip, the bumper, the fenders, and yeah, that's pretty much covered this new kit.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. Oh, and the wheels.
That's what. Did I tell you what I did?
What?
I traded up too. So I did it, not car related, but for my camera. So I got rid of the A6400.
Bro, you love that camera.
I know.
You was excited to get it.
I got an A7 III now.
Yo, that's the new, right?
Yeah.
Oh man.
So I got the A7 III now. So they might come out with an A7 Mark IV, but
this is a 6400 too.
Yeah,
that's switched up with the wide angle lens.
Yeah. So I just bought the A7 III.
I seen you shoot that one. I was like, I need to get you one day so you could just shoot me in the night run so I could post it on. I'm like, look, I did this. No, I didn't do it.
Yeah, so
that's pretty much it. We're gonna get this cleaned up and then do the final shoot for the transformation video. Kiet hooked it up with a new banner. Check it out. And also a new grill. In here, the grill. Let's get us a cool start. Let me run back here. guys, this just looks so nice outside. Today's such a great day as well. Still a little bit of white showing, but it is what it is. When we did it, we had a carbon fiber side skirt. Still got to fix the tail light. Damn, man, it looks so beautiful, bro. Appreciate it, homie.
It looks really good.
Yeah, man. Dang. Big car. You didn't like the silver, did you?
Yeah, it looks like you got the fucking front end topped off of another car.
It did, it did. That actually looked like a complete car. Oh, man. I'm gonna get her cleaned up, then do the final shoot today. Yeah, peeps. So Kiet's gonna hook it up with a night shoot for the Evos, and then he's gonna edit for me because he's a way better editor than I am. Pretty much one of those cinematic shots for the Evo, somewhere at night or in the morning, all depends on his schedule, but we're definitely gonna get it done sometime this month, hopefully with me and Squirrel. If not, with just me and alone. I'll let Squirrel know, but it's gonna be a pretty nice shoot. It's gonna be pretty much the first cinematic of the channel. Obviously I can't do it myself, so we'll definitely see, but the car is looking amazing. Let's just get it cleaned up and finish off this vlog for the day. All right, peeps, so pretty much just got done cleaning the car at one of my favorite spots, Sheets. We got that touchless wash, but yeah, just to update, Kiet pretty much did everything. Obviously, as you can tell, he laid a black inlay in here. Looks pretty damn cool. Got my grill done. I think we might change this into a plastic grill, but yeah, he did this in 2-piece instead of what I was doing, trying to go in 3-piece. But man, it looks so amazing. I still gotta dry it off. I dried it off and it's still wet. I don't know why. But yeah, the car is amazing. I'm gonna do the final shoot of my transformation video here. Pretty much just get a quick around the car, so it's not really anything fancy. But yeah, what do you guys think? Huh? It looks good. Evo turns out really good this time. Oh man, guys, I think I'm gonna keep this setup for a while. Man, it looks so nice. Woo. Woo. Can't wait for the new bumper. It looks very nice. Okay, so a couple things I learned about the wrap mistake. One, I'm supposed to leave the wrap inside so it could be a little warmer, and two, this is a pressure I guess wrap, so when you want to make it stick, you just have to apply more pressure on it, and eventually it'll stick. So the cold weather really don't matter too much. That's according to Kiet. But yeah, I mean, that's lesson learned from this time. I mean, if I ever have to rewrap this, you know, different color or something, maybe next year, that's something, you know, I learned. So yeah. But yeah, peeps, that's it for this vlog. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you do enjoy the next video, which is the 1-year transformation, the Evo. It took a, you know, looking back, it's a whole lot of things we did to the Evo, but I'm really excited to show you guys. So this will be the final video for it. But thanks for tuning into this vlog, peeps, and I hope you enjoy it. Peace.